morning, everyone. Yes, welcome back to our online program from Cambridge International School with teacher Samdy again. Everyone, how are you this morning? You are doing fine, right? Okay, great job. Now sit properly and study with teacher together. All right, can you tell teacher what day is today? Correct. Today is Thursday. Okay, today is Thursday, and every Thursday we always study about our jungle phonics. Okay, for both sessions, right? Okay, great job, everyone. Do you have this jungle phonics textbook, everyone? Excellent. All right, good. So today we're gonna learn new sound. Okay, great job, everyone. But before teacher start our new lesson for today, let's review what we have learned first. So who remember what did we learn from our jungle phonics last week, everyone? What did we learn about? Yes, correct. We learned about our sound B. Okay, sound B with letter B, right? Great job, everyone. Okay, so we learned sound B. And who remember how many words did we learn from our sound B? Correct, 3 words. What were they, everyone? Okay, tell me what was the first word, everyone? Okay, great job. The first word was bear. Bear. Okay, what about the second word? Yes, the second word was ball. Ball. What about the last one? Yes, the last one was back. Back. Excellent, everyone. And do you remember about the spelling of those 3 words, everyone? Great job. Okay, now let's review with teacher together. Okay, let's look at our whiteboard and tell teacher with all of the picture over here. Okay, tell me what is the first picture here, everyone? What is the first one? Correct, this is ball. Ball. Who can spell ball? Please spell it together. Excellent, everyone, you spell correctly. Wow, great job. You remember well with the word ball. Okay, B-A-L-L, ball. Excellent, everyone. What about the second picture? What is this, everyone? Yes, you are right. This is back. 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 All right, let's spell the word back together. Excellent, you spell correctly, everyone. Back. B-U-T. Back. Wow, great job. What about the last picture? What is this, everyone? All right, great job. This is bear. Okay, bear. Let's spell the word bear together, everyone. Excellent, you spell correctly. Bear. B-E-A-R, bear. Wow, clap your hand for yourself. Okay, good job, everyone. You are a good student. Okay, great job. And today we're gonna learn about another sound after sound B. Do you know what is it? Okay, excellent. After B sound with letter B, we will go to letter C with K sound. Excellent, everyone. So today we're gonna learn about sound K, C, K, K. Excellent, everyone. So now please open your jungle phonics textbook together. Okay, great job, everyone. So this is our new sound for today. Sound K. Sound K. Great job, everyone. So now please look at the first picture. What is this, everyone? You know what is it? Yes, correct. This is cat. Okay, this is cat. What about the second picture? Okay, great job. Cake. Cake. Have you ever had a birthday cake? Okay, excellent. Cake. And what about the last picture? Cup. Correct, everyone. Cup. Okay, so now teacher want all of you to listen to our audio track that related to our sound K together. Okay, everyone, now enjoy listening.
Track 9. Listen, point, and repeat.
K, K, C,
K, K, C.
cat.
Cat.
Cake.
Cake.
Cup.
Cup.
Excellent, everyone. Okay, have you repeat after him? Okay, great job, everyone. Now please say it again. What is the first picture? Cat. Correct. What about the second one? Yes, cake. And last one? Cup. Great job. You can remember well. Okay, now let's see our lesson for today. Okay, let's see the first picture of our sound cut. Let's see together. Okay, tell me what is this, everyone? Meow, meow. What is this? Yes, correct. This is cat. 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 Do you like cat, everyone? Okay, excellent. Alright, can you make the sound of cat? Okay, excellent. Meow, just like meow, something like that, right? Okay, this is the sound of cat. It's really, really adorable, right? Okay, great job, everyone. Okay, this is cat. 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 Your turn, everyone. Cat. Alright, now let's spell the word cat with teacher together. Cat. C-A-T. Cat. One more time. Cat. C-A-T. Cat. Okay, great job. Now your turn, everyone. Please say the word cat and spell together. Great job, everyone. Again, cat. Cat. Okay, excellent. Alright, great job. You know already about a cat, right? Okay, alright. What about the second picture of our sound curve? You know what is it? Yes, great job. This is cake. Okay, cake. Cake. Okay, so this is cake. It is really delicious, right? And also the picture of cake here looks so delicious as well, right? Have you ever eaten cake? Okay, how do you feel? Okay, feel good, like it is delicious, right? Okay, great job, everyone. Cake. Cake. Alright, let's spell the word cake together. Cake. C-A-K-E. Cake. Great job. One more time. Cake. C-A-K-E. Cake. Your turn, everyone. Excellent. Cake. Cake. Great job. Alright, after cake, what is the last picture of our sound cut? Great job. This is the last picture. Okay, what is this, everyone? Correct. This is cup. Cup. Okay, cup. Alright, great job, everyone. Cup. You can put the water in it and drink water in our cup. Okay, or we can put coffee, right? Okay, cup. Cup. Alright, let's spell the word cup. C-U-P. Cup. One more time. Cup. C-U-P. Cup. Cup. Alright, great job. Now your turn to say the word cup and spell together. Excellent, everyone. You can read and spell nicely. Okay, this is cup. Excellent. Now please tell me again, everyone. Look at the first picture. What is this? Correct. This is cat. Cat. Alright. What about the second picture? What is this? Correct. This is cake. Cake. Okay, great job. What about the last one? Yes, cup. Cup. Okay, do you remember all of these three words, everyone? Excellent. Okay, thank you, everyone. So now time to have a break. Enjoy your break time. See you in the second section. Bye-bye.